Hello students, in this video we are going to discuss some numericals based on vector addition. So we use the resultant formula r is equal to root of a square plus b square plus 2ab cos theta, and the direction is tan alpha is equal to b sin theta by a plus b cos theta. So we are going to see how to make a vector diagram and how to solve the questions in vector algebra. Okay, so let us move on to the questions. Write down the first question. On a certain rainy day, rain was falling vertically with a speed of 35 meter per second. A wind started blowing after some time with a speed of 12 meter per second in east to west direction. What is the resultant velocity of the rain, and in which direction a boy standing at the bus stop should hold his umbrella? So here two things are given. Rain is falling vertically downward with a speed of 35 meter per second, and the wind started blowing after some time with a speed of 12 meter per second in the east to west direction. So let us construct a vector diagram to solve this. Okay. Listen to what I am doing. Rain is falling vertically downward. So before drawing everything, let me just draw the axis. I just made x axis and y axis. Okay. Now we told rain is falling vertically downward. So here I mark this as rain, VR, and velocity of the rain is 35 meter per second, and velocity of the wind is 12 meter per second. They told wind is moving from east to west, right? Wind is moving from east to west. So I consider this direction as east, this direction is west. So wind is moving from east to west. So I draw it like this. This is marked as velocity of the wind. Velocity of the wind. This is velocity of the rain and this is velocity of the wind. So what should I do? I have to consider I have to construct a parallelogram. So I am going to construct a parallelogram. And this will be the direction of the rain. The resultant direction of the rain is like this. So I will write V here. V is the resultant velocity of the rain and it will be in this direction. So if rain is falling in that direction, in which direction the boy should hold the umbrella? Imagine the boy is standing at this point, at the origin. This is the point where the boy stands. So if the rain is falling like this, in which direction the boy should hold the umbrella? In this way, right? Just against the direction of the rain. So rain is falling in this pattern. Boy should hold the umbrella like this. So I am going to draw that here. I am just extending a dotted line towards that side. I mark this angle. This angle is marked as alpha. So vertically opposite angle is this. So that is also alpha. And the boy should hold the umbrella in this direction. Okay. Yes. So are these two vectors perpendicular? VR and VW, both of them are perpendicular, right? Therefore, we can write the resultant velocity. We can find the resultant velocity of the rain V as root of VR square plus VW square. If two vectors are perpendicular, the resultant is root of A square plus B square. So root of 35 square plus 12 square. When you solve, you will get the answer as 37 meter per second. So this is the resultant velocity of the rain. Now we have to see in which direction the boy should hold the umbrella. For that, I will find this alpha. If I find this angle alpha, this is also alpha, vertically opposite angle. So I can say that the boy should hold the umbrella at an angle alpha towards the east. Right. So let us find alpha. So what is tan alpha from this triangle? You take this triangle and what is tan alpha? Opposite side by adjacent side. And here opposite side is VW itself. Opposite side is VW. So VW by VR is tan alpha. Okay. Tan alpha is VW by VR. What is VW? 12 and VR is 35. So divide 12 and 35. What's the answer? Yes, 0.34. So you got tan alpha. Then I will do alpha is equal to tan inverse of 0.343. As I told you before, tan 30 is 1 by root 3. So tan inverse of 1 by root 3 is 30. Like that we will be finding tan inverse of 0.343. This value you haven't studied. So we will give you a table, trigonometric table. There is a chart given to you. So using that table you will be able to look and find the value. So using that table, when you look at that table, you will get the value as 19 degree. So all the values of sine, cos and tan will be printed in one table which will be provided to you during the time of exam. So looking at that table you will be able to find this answer. So 19 degree. So you got alpha as 19 degree. Now how will you write the answer? So this is 19 degree, right? So I can write like this. Therefore boy should hold the umbrella at an angle 19 degree towards east from vertical. This is the vertical direction. So from vertical direction he has to tilt 90 degree towards east. Boy should hold his umbrella 19 degree towards east from vertical. This is how your answer looks like. Okay. Now let us see one more numerical. A motor boat is racing towards north at 25 km per hour and the water current in that region is 10 km per hour in the direction 60 degree east of south. Find the resultant velocity of the boat. So here two things are given. Motor boat is racing towards north. The speed of the motor boat is given. That is 25 km per hour. So I will write here speed of the boat is 25 km per hour and the water current. So speed of water is 10 km per hour. These two are the things given and it is moving in the direction 60 degree east of south. So let us draw first the vector diagram. Okay, only using the vector diagram you will be able to solve the resultant and the direction. So these kind of questions will be asked for 3 marks. 1 mark will be for the vector diagram, 1 mark is for finding the resultant and the last 1 mark is for finding the direction. So let us see. So first we have to draw the axis. So I just put x axis and y axis. Now they told in the question motor boat is going towards north. So I consider this as east, west, north and south. Motor boat is racing towards north. So I will put the arrow like this. That is the direction of the boat. So I write VB. Now water current in that region is 10 km per hour, 60 degree east of south. That means from south the water current is 60 degree towards east. This is the south direction. From south water is 60 degree towards east, towards that side. So I will be drawing like this. This is the direction of the water current and this angle is 60 degree given in the question. From south 60 degree towards east. So it will be like this. Now we have to draw the parallelogram to find the resultant vector. Okay. So put the dotted lines. This is the resultant. So I put V. The angle between the first vector and the resultant vector, that means first vector is motor boat. Angle between motor boat and the resultant vector is marked as alpha. Then angle between the first vector and the second vector is theta. This angle is theta. Can you tell me what is theta? This is 90 degree, north and east. So this is 90 degree and what is this angle? 30 degree, right? Because this is 60, this is 90. Okay, this angle is given as 60, this entire angle is 90 degree. Therefore, this will be 30 degree. Therefore, What is the angle between VB and VW? 90 plus 30, which means 120. degree. Okay. So we will find the resultant. V is equal to root of VB square plus VW square plus 2 VB VW cos 120. VB is 25, so 25 square plus 10 square plus 2 into 25 into 10 into cos 120 is minus 1 by 2. I will write it here. You can learn this value, okay. Cos 120 is minus 1 by 2 and sin 120. Sin 120 is root 3 by 2. So study these two values. Cos 120 is minus 1 by 2 and sin 120 is root 3 by 2. So when you solve this, you will get the answer as 21.8 kilometer per hour. You have to solve it by yourself, okay. I am just giving the answer. Try to solve and get the answer. So this is how you find the magnitude. Now how will we find the direction? We will go to the equation of tan alpha. So here this is alpha. Okay, so we will go directly to the equation of tan alpha. Tan alpha is equal to b sin theta by a plus b cos theta. That means second vector. Which is the second vector here? Water current, right? So VW sin 120 by VB plus VW cos 120. Sin 120 I gave the answer as root 3 by 2. Motorboat is 25 plus 10 is 10. Cos 120 is minus 1 by 2. So solve it by yourself. You will get the answer as root 3 by 4. Root 3 by 4. The value of root 3 is 1.732. So divide both. 1.732 divided by 4. So you will get it as 0.433. That is the value of tan alpha. So how will you get alpha? Alpha is equal to tan inverse of 0.433. I am just giving you the answer. You have to do the calculation and verify that you are getting the same answer. Okay. So tan inverse 0.433. You can get this answer from the table, trigonometric table. So from that table you will get 23.4 degree. So alpha is equal to 23.4 degree. Now how will we write the answer? You can say that the boat is moving at an angle 23.4 degree east of north. That means this is north direction, no? From north it is moving 23.4 degree towards east. So I will write like this. So boat is moving at an angle 23.4 degree east of north. East of north, that means from north boat is moving 23.4 degree towards east. Okay, thank you.